Yeah, Joe, so this is what has been happening in the crypto market. So as you know right now, there's something that is happening. It's like a crypto crash. We really don't know if to call it a crypto crash, but it's really bad. In fact, this will be in the history books when it's come to crypto. So there's a problem between two companies, which is Binance and FTX. As I make this video, I don't think FTX is anymore. Is any more or no more? I don't know. I don't know whichever it is. So we have Binance and you have FTX. These are like the major crypto exchange companies in the world. Big deal. Big deal. So in fact, it's always Binance, Coinbase, then FTX. Now Binance and FTX are kind of rivals. Binance is led by somebody called CZ, like just C and a Z. Hope I get the name right. And FTX is run by a young guy called Sam Bankman, something of the sort. So, who is CZ? CZ was a developer based in China. It's a Binance is a China-based company who was a developer, and he kept alikuwa mnoma in blockchain. He understands this, and he came up with Binance. Sam, on the other hand, is a real deal crypto trader who made all his money through crypto deals. He kuna hinch alipata na akwambia saying he made a lot of money, and that money alipeleka to make his company, which is FTX. So we have Binance and FTX. So what happened the other day is CZ made a complaint on Twitter saying that Sam is spreading rumors about him to the US. You know, US, the government, they really are a pain in the ass when it comes to these crypto things. So CZ accused Sam of spreading rumors about CZ. So he said that the relationship ain't working, so they can't be pretending they working, and they have already like proposed a divorce. So CZ said he's going to sell 2 billion worth of FTT tokens. FTT tokens are the native tokens of FTX. Just like the way we have Binance, just like the way we have BNB is a native token of Binance. So, ukisikia leo ati kesho sijui probably KCB tanguka, utafanya nini? Utaenda kukimbia kutoa do zako. So everybody, your mother, your child, your grandfather, your mom, your unborn child went to withdraw the money. So there was this is what we call a bank run. When a bank run happens, there's the prices tank, and when the prices tank and there's a bank run, there's a problem. And to make the matters worse, if you don't have the liquidity to withhold such forces, you're in big trouble. So FTX was in great trouble, but don't worry. So we thought before FTX was a company called Alameda, which was a hedge fund run by Sam. And what it does, they provide liquidity. So we thought they will provide liquidity to FTX as for now, but rumors had it that they didn't have any money. In fact, most of their assets were in FTT tokens, which were tanking by the moment, so they were worthless. And the other assets were in terms of liability. So major bullshit. This kind of starts showing you that there was a lot of bullshit that was going on in this company. So the company was desperate, and there was no update for an entire day for FTX. FTX hawakuwa make any update for an entire day, but out of nowhere they stated that Binance has come to the rescue. Good news. Good news. Binance, on the other hand, true to the word, they came to the rescue of FTX, and they stated, we just want to save the customers, of which makes sense. Let's say FTX crashes, of which it was going to crash. By the way, tunaongea stories za jana. Inamaanisha Binance, either way it was a win-win. Inunue sinunue, it was a win-win. If FTX crashes, probably all the customers wataenda kwa Binance. So what's the reason why Binance is buying FTX at this desperate? They buy out at a throwaway price. Is it why? It stated that it was buying it out to save the customers. That makes a lot of sense, because if it doesn't buy it, how is it buy? Sahi it was hata ikianguka all the customers wataenda Binance. And in fact, for Binance buying FTX, it means moving into the American ground, which is not safe. So anyway, point is we are saved, people are saved, and the differences was the markets maybe zingekuwa poa sana, but mimi nikaenda kulala. Waking up today and Caesar has changed his mind. Binance ilitweet sijui, oh, we cannot do anything, and let me quote, Binance stated, quote, it did to inaitwa corporate due diligence, said that they cannot buy out FTX because there was something called mishandling of funds. So Sam was doing a lot of shady jobs. In fact, Sam was doing a lot behind closed doors. Rumors has it that nimesikia say that this guy was even trading using people's money, as in he was doing a lot of deals na the reserves. So Binance goes and looks at the books or whatever they looked at, and they said no, we can't do anything. We've tried, we can't do anything. So FTX is by its own, and trust me, Binance was the only company that could have saved it, and that is the end of FTX. So why is the market crashing, as people was asking? And we are just talking about FTX. These things are connected. Like you've seen, Binance had a big portion in FTX. So think about other exchanges, think about other investors, think about these things are connected. Let's come to like something called let's look like Alameda had a lot to do with Solana. I always call it the Ethereum Slayer. It was supposed to take over Ethereum, which Solana was doing really good, and it was partners with Meta, Facebook. Meta is Facebook, yeah. Google, you know, NFTs. And now you can see the price of Solana where it is. Hey, the crash is coming. The crash is coming. So this bear market is where kings are made, and this is where billionaires are crushed. In fact, a company like Alameda had like 14.6 billion assets in terms of in terms of TFT's tokens. It doesn't make sense. Together with a lot of investors. So that's what has been happening. In fact, the company has already filed for bankruptcy. Some not might, according to me, and jela. And that's all. That's all. I think that's what has been happening. So bye bye.